So we look not at the things which are seen, but at the things which are unseen. For the things which are visible are temporal, but the things which are invisible are everlasting and imperishable. Why is reality so vividly real to us? Can we trust our own eyes? The key principle to understand is this: you do not truly see with your eyes. Your eyes only collect light. It is your brain that interprets that light and decides what you have seen. We see because light enters our eyes and our brain turns that light into pictures. In the simplest terms, number one, light bounces off things around us. Two, that light goes into our eyes. Like bricks, the eyes send signals to the brain. Four, the brain reads those signals and creates the image we see. So really, we don't see with our eyes alone. We see with our brain using light collected by our eyes. We see colors because different kinds of light enter our eyes. Light is an invisible energy. Pure light is made of many colors. When light hits an object, the object absorbs some colors and reflects others. A red apple looks red because it reflects red light to your eyes. Green grass looks green because it reflects green light. A black shirt looks black because it absorbs most light. A white shirt looks white because it reflects most light. Inside your eyes are special cells called cones. They help detect color. Your brain then takes those signals and says, that is red, that is blue, or that is green. So color is basically your brain's way of interpreting different light signals. So what makes things their particular color? Things have their particular color because of what they do with light. When light hits an object, the object's material decides which colors of light to absorb, meaning take in that color energy, or reflect, meaning bounce that color energy to your eyes. The color you see is usually the color that gets reflected. For example, a red apple absorbs most colors but reflects red light. A green leaf absorbs a lot of red and blue light but reflects green light. A blue shirt reflects blue light and absorbs many other colors. A black object absorbs almost all light. A white object reflects almost all light. What determines this is the object's molecules and surface. Different materials are built differently, so they interact with light energy differently. So in the simplest terms, things are the color they are because they reflect that color of light back to your eyes. The lesson is clear. Science and biology both confirm that you do not truly see with your eyes. Your eyes collect light. They receive the signal, but it is your brain that organizes, interprets, and determines what you have seen. So maybe the better question is not, can I trust my eyes? Maybe the deeper question is, can I trust my brain? And if the answer is yes, what would that change? What would become possible if you understood that reality is not only something you observe, but something your brain helps construct? In part 3, we will continue exploring the brain's role in shaping reality. After that, we will move into the powerful topic of light as energy and begin exploring the connection between light, thought, and perception. Like and subscribe so you do not miss the next chapter in this series.